SWOT analysis is an efficient tool to determine the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats that are facing your business, project, or product. It is a very practical and useful method to help you analyze the current situation and help you in planning in the future. In a SWOT analysis, the strengths and weaknesses represent characteristics that are within your control, referred to as internal factors, whereas the opportunities and threats that focus on external factors could have an impact on your business, project, or product, which are out of your control. The SWOT analysis process can be used by anyone in the personal or professional context that is very useful as a brainstorming tool for teams to come together and discuss different perspectives about a situation at hand. It helps in finding new solutions to problems and deciding on the best course of actions. When doing a SWOT analysis, the first step is to determine the strengths of your business, product, or project. The strengths refer to positive things that are within your control and allow you to have an advantage over others. When applying this to a business, areas that are in your control include the team, your financial position, your experience, or processes. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself to help you in determining your strengths. What makes us unique and different from others? What do people or customers praise us for? And what gives us an advantage over others? The second step is to determine the weaknesses of your business, product, or project. The weaknesses refer to negative things that are within your control that could put you at a disadvantage over others. When applying this to a business, areas that are in your control include the team, your financial position, your experience, or processes. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself to help you in determining your weaknesses. What can we improve on in our business or product? What do people or customers tell us we need to improve on? What are things we need to be avoiding? Step is to determine the opportunities facing your business, product, or project. The opportunities refer to positive things that are outside your control and that could have an effect on your business. When applying this to a business, areas that are outside of your control include future trends, economic, laws, political issues. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself in determining your opportunities. What are the technological trends that could give you an advantage? Are there any laws, policies, or economic situations that work in your favor? Are there any events taking place that you can leverage? The 4th step is to determine the threats facing your business, product, or project. The threats refer to negative things that are outside of your control that could have an effect on you. When applying this to business, areas that are outside of your control include future trends, economic, law, or political issues. Here are 3 questions to ask yourself to determine the threats. What are the technological trends that could disrupt or affect you negatively? Are there any laws, policies, or economic situations that could impact you negatively? Are there market financial risks that could be affecting you? By completing the above 4 steps, you can now have a good overview of the current situation and be able to take a decision about moving forward. As next steps, you can put the actions needed to make use of analysis. These would include leverage your strength and expand on what you're doing well, minimize your weaknesses, and avoid the things that are not working. Be prepared to make use of the opportunities that could be coming your way, and be prepared to reduce the impact of threats that could be facing. As the saying goes, chance favors the prepared mind, and through SWOT analysis, you would be better prepared.